Hello everyone! In this video we will look together at how to using Higgsfield AI and their Soul ID model we can create our own AI character. In my case, a futuristic female android, and use she consistently in different scenes. For example, in a music video, in dialogues, or even short cinematic stories. Soul ID is a personalized model from Higgsfield created specifically for working with characters. Its main feature is hyperrealism, and honestly this model does it better than all the ones I have tried before. At the first step we generate a prompt using ChatGPT. For example, full body female humanoid robot realistic sci-fi style. After that we paste the prompt into Midjourney and generate several image options. After a few iterations we get the image that we will use as the base reference. To train Soul ID we need from 20 to 70 images. In order not to create all of them in Midjourney, we use a creative approach. We take one of the best images and based on it generate a short 360-degree video using Kling AI. Kling is one of the best video generators. I will leave the link in the description. After that we open the video in After Effects and export it as a PNG sequence. From a 6-second video we get 122 frames. Then we select only the cleanest and most diverse ones for training. We go to Higgsfield, Character, Create Character, Upload Images, upload the prepared PNG files. The system immediately marks the image's quality as excellent. We enter the name of the character. Training one model costs about 30 credits. I use the basic plan at $9 per month. It gives 150 credits and this is more than enough. For example, generating 4 images costs only 2 credits. After that we press generate and wait for the training to finish. The model has finished training and we can generate our scenario using a prompt. For example, stands against a graffiti-covered wall. We paste the prompt, choose Soul model, set the resolution nice 16, also select our trained model. I also have a model trained with my own face. We choose a preset, there are many of them, but we can get the best result using General, iPhone or Realistic. I choose General and click Generate. And this is the result I get. On the left under each image you can see the model and the preset that were used. There are also buttons Download, Recreate and Delete. Soul ID stably reproduces our character and different locations and lighting. So as a result we already have a fully functional AI character. Then can be used to create scenes, music clips or even short movies. And using klingai.com I have also created a music video with our scenario. And the result looks at an excellent level, which clearly demonstrates the potential of this approach. Write in the comments if you have used Higgsfield and Soul ID. If this topic is interesting, leave a like and do not forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next videos.
See you in the next one. See you in the next one.